Yeah, just come across these bloody dogs. It's not the first time I've seen stuff like this. So I'm on a big road. You know what I mean? But he's very quiet.
น่ารักตีบ
I know, dang.
ตีบ
But they're palm that
เอาอา
mad,
หาร
dang.
ให้
Oh, look at the little tiger one there,
เอา
look.
ของดูดังให้ได้ไหม
But no chance at all, they haven't. Get off. Come on, dang. Just get off. Get off, long lock, get off.
ตีบเอาอาหารให้หน่อยตีบ
That was a beautiful, wasn't it? Well, they're both beautiful. That was like a reach.
ทำแบบนี้ตีบ
It's literally like the best thing that could happen to these dogs is just they get run over. It's crazy to think like that, but you know, it'd be so quick. Because what happens is they'll go through all the trials and tribulations of becoming adult dogs, and then they'll just get run over anyway. It's like sometimes they just forget. Look at this dog, it's a lovely one. Little patination he's got there. Oh, you're a lovely one, aren't you?
ตีบเอาอาหารมาเลยเฮล
Yeah, well look down, yeah.
ไม่
Go
ให้
on.
หมาให้เริ่มให้หมาเลยต้องไม่กินแล้วให้หมาเลยเริ่มใจดีกับหมา
Oh, look at that. A lovely one.
เดี๋ยวตีบเดี๋ยวด้วงมันแบ่งให้กินเดี๋ยวด้วง
There's no one to take them.
ตีบหมาจะกินไหม
Ang mamay. No.
หมาไหม
No. I don't think they know what meat is. They've never. It's the first time they've ever. Go on, then. Come on.
หมาชอบส
Jab,
ตีฟ
jab.
หมาชอบสตีฟ
Right, which one hasn't had any?
โอเคอ๋ออันนี้เป็นของ
They don't know what they're suckling. Look, they haven't got an idea of what meat is. Because they're only eating milk.
เรียกปากด้วยตีบอันใหญ่นะตีบอย่าเอาอันใหญ่
Look at the little black one. There's a lovely little dog, isn't there?
แล้วใครจะกิน
Jab going crazy, isn't there? Come on. This way they doesn't know what meat is. You see, it's got like a. He thinks he's sucking a teat. You know what I mean?
ตีบ
Tiny little dogs.
ไม่มีอาหารตีบเอาอาหารตีบให้ไหม
Probably the first time they ever had anything that they can actually bite. But that'll keep them in good stead. How weak, Dang? Me, Dang. How weak?
ตีบมาเอาตรงนั้น
Is that all the chicken gone then? Got a little bit of. That's all the chicken gone.
หมาน้อยเดียวน่ารัก
Hmm.
หมาน้อย
Lovely little dog that is. Mind you, they're all lovely at this age. Then they get older. That's a lovely little one that is.
ตีบมีอาหารให้ไหมอ่ะ
Look at him licking his bloody lips.
ลิปส์อันนี้คือลิปส์นะ อันนี้คือ
Neat
ลิปส์
bag. Been lips.
อันนี้คือลิปส์นะ
Tiny little dogs.
ตีบอันนี้คือทอม
Really, they should stay with the mother, but the mother will have gone off to find food.
Steve,
And then come back and they live here.
ตีบอันนี้คือทอมแอนเจลี่
Tom and Jerry.
ทอมเจลี่สตีฟ
How man nói mai?
ไม่เอาครับมาน้อยโอ้ยรถมา
So you get these like wouldn't slow down anyway. These cars. They'd see them in the I don't know. Would they? I'm not trying to say they're evil, but there is a lot of that. They just drive. They just do not slow down. They just got it in their mind to not slow down. I see it all the time with dogs that are fully grown, and they'll just be in the road, and a dog can zig rather than zag, and that's it. They're gone. They're just been. I've never seen a dog actually hit though. You know what I mean? But you do see dogs. Be nice to. I'd like to see where the mother is. Is that the mother down there? No. Oh. Lovely little dog. Well, that's where they stay anyway, there, by the looks of it. Okay, right, we've got to get off. We'll probably just leave them here because I got 7 dogs as it is. Okay, let's go. So what's happened is, even though Dang just tried to kill one of them then, look Dang long car, look Dang long car, man eye.
ไม่ระวังจับคอสีดำแรงๆเพราะว่ามันดื้อมันทำแบบนี้ มันจะตก
Okay.
ลงจับแรง
Okay, yeah. So yeah, they are so small. They really are like just how they got to this age. They're very, very small puppies. Apparently, there's a guy. He'd have a right outside the house. I said to him, you know, what's going on with these dogs? He's been there for 3 or 4 days, and no one's taken them. People just keep driving past them. That's what you're doing, it. No. Out the guy got I got your cow. That's a cheeky little one. This one is. I reckon the girlfriend will like him anyway. She's always picking dogs like this up and taking them. A pair of cheeky little scamps, aren't they? They're beautiful. Although I've seen dogs with this marking, they're not beautiful when they're older. They look, but then again, any dogs that we have will be beautiful because you give them some love. And the ones that you see around here, just literally just thrown outside the front of the house, and they throw some rice down the floor from them for their meal. But they ain't no affection, no nothing. You know what I mean? They're looking. This one is shaking because it's missing Dang already. But look, why has he walked off when he's supposed to be looking after these dogs? See there, look how there's no fat on them at all. Yeah, absolutely. As I say, in this pom mark, there's just all skin. You know. Right then, let's get them in a basket to put on top of this one basket, and we'll get back. Okay, well we've got them back on the back to the house. The other dogs haven't eaten them yet. Obviously they like me because I'm the first person who's ever 4 days on that road. Apparently, a guy who lived in a house. When I collared him and I said like, "Oh, what about these dogs here?" He says, "Oh, it was what these are 2 of what there was about 6 there. The mother's gone. They've been there for 4 days, just living in a hedge, and they're like they're pom mark. They're thin." Let's just hope they live. Because, you know, this is probably the first food they've had in a long time. They didn't know what meat was. They didn't understand it. They were trying to suckle it. So I think they'll have a good life here with all these lot, won't you? Hey, Scamp. He's wagging his tail, isn't he? Like, because he likes any friends. That's our latest one, Snowy. He likes playing, so... Just hope they live, because you never know with these things. They've got ticks. This one's got ticks on it. They'll need taking off, and that's what kills them, the ticks. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so here we are. End of the night. They've just looked up that bowl of chicken soup. There's some chicken in it. Yeah, this one down here. He's getting excited. He knows dinner's coming. There we go. If you can see any ticks. Has he got any ticks inside the ears there? The girlfriend's had a look for ticks. They call them happy. There'll be one or two in there. Gotta get them out. They have tiny ones as well that you just can't even see. You only see them if you get them on like a white table, like a silver table or something like that, a vet's or something like that. There'll be you'll just have the tiny ones all over the place. So just because you find some big ones, that don't mean they're all out. They have loads and loads of little tiny ones all in the fur. But once they take the little medicine, all they have it, you just drop it on the skin, and it just they have a chemical go around their body in their blood, and that's it then. All those little beasts, fleas and ticks and everything, they won't stay around, they just drop off. But yeah. That's a better night he's gonna have here sleeping than he was in that hedge. Alright, okay. Stay close for the updates. Okay.